dearest soul. Get ready for breakthroughs. Get ready for promotion. Get ready for restoration. You may have had that problem for a long time, but today could be the day that it turns around. Suddenly, things can change. God wants His glory to be seen on you. He wants you to stand out in the crowd. He wants you to be so blessed that everyone around you can see His goodness on you. So keep standing, keep believing, keep hoping, and keep declaring His word, because blessings and favor are coming your way. Type yes if you agree with this, and